Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about gas line service. As a Charlotte plumbing company, we offer top-notch quality installation and repair of residential, commercial, and industrial, natural, and propane gas lines. We work on high and low pressure systems alike. We are subcontractors for the local gas company, and we have established working relationships with several outdoor living stores. We are P1 licensed contractor and gas certified, so we are equipped to handle all your gas service needs. Our gas line services include the following: gas leak detection, gas line inspection, gas water heater repair and replacement, gas line repair and replacement, trenched and trenchless gas line replacement, gas log and fire pit installation, gas line installation for appliances and code upgrades. As a Charlotte plumber who cares about the community, I have to caution folks who are watching this video because you smelled gas in the house. If you smell gas, you need to immediately get out of the house and go across the street so you're in a safe distance away from your home. Leave your door open as you leave so the house can air out. And don't turn on or off any lights or unplug any electrical devices as you leave, because even a spark of electricity can ignite the gas in the air. From a safe distance, call your natural gas company and report the leak. And call a gas line specialist like ourselves to come find and fix the leak. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371. Or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.